Have you ever trusted someone so deeply only to watch them betray you without warning? What if I told you that the people closest to you might be the ones most likely to stab you in the back? This isn't just a theory. It's Law 2 of the 48 Laws of Power. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. Let me tell you a story. In the 15th century, during the height of the Italian Renaissance, a man named Cesare Borgia was rising through power. He was brilliant, ruthless, and strategic. But there was one lesson he learned early: never trust friends blindly. Borgia once appointed a close friend as governor of a rebellious region. He believed loyalty would follow friendship. But when power entered the room, loyalty vanished. That friend abused his role. He stole from the people, disrespected Borgia's name, and grew arrogant. Why? Because he thought their friendship made him untouchable. So, what did Borgia do? He removed him, not quietly, but publicly. And who did he replace him with? An old enemy, a rival who once stood against him, but had everything to prove. And that enemy, he served faithfully, because enemies tread carefully. Enemies want to earn your trust. They don't take it for granted. The truth is, friends bring emotions into power. They expect favors. They assume protection. And when expectations break, emotions explode. But enemies? They're predictable, strategic, cautious, because they know one mistake, and they're done. Now think about your life. Ever had a friend become bitter the moment you didn't help them? Ever seen a stranger work harder to prove themselves than someone close? Exactly. In the world of power, loyalty must be earned, not assumed. Friends can be valuable, but blind trust is not. And enemies? Sometimes they make the best allies. Law 2 of the 48 Laws of Power is clear. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. Because in the game of power, emotions are dangerous, and trust must be managed like gold. Play the game wisely, or the game will play you.